The cognitive distortion of magnification is like blowing things out of proportion. You know that saying, do not make a mountain out of a molehill? Well, that's magnification. While minimization is a notion that you make things unimportant when they really are important. And so I'm tying these two cognitive distortions with mental filter because mental filter is when one tends to focus on the negative and minimize the positive. And the reasons I'm tying these together is because these cognitive distortions can be particularly an issue when someone is dealing with anxiety. People who are anxious tend to focus on stuff in their life that's going to cause the anxiety, and it just reinforces this anxious pattern. So it's important to identify this happening and try to stop this from continuing. So some tricks that may be helpful to put things in perspective are counting your blessings and focusing on the good in life. This will make it more difficult for feelings or symptoms of anxiety or depression to creep in. And when it comes to magnifying or minimizing circumstances, there's a few tricks one can do. You can ask other people if the thoughts or feelings that you have about the situation are realistic or not. Or simply write down your thoughts and feelings, and it can help you to think of the circumstance in a more positive and realistic way. If it's too difficult to control these thoughts just by reframing how you're thinking, then it's a good time to look into the possibility of medications to help control or slow down your mind so that you can work on changing these thought patterns.